Winter storm warning goes into effect at 10 p.m. this evening and continues until Monday afternoon. And this is a monster storm impacting Texas through the mid Tennessee Valley all the way up into New England. You see those winter storm warnings in effect. So let's take a look at where it's at right now. The energy is still across the southwest, and this is all going to be moving into the mid-Atlantic. Snow arriving as we head towards midnight. So predictor will show that once we get towards 11, 12 o'clock, we start to see real light precipitation coming in from the south, and then continues into the overnight period through tomorrow morning with the heaviest, steadiest snow continuing. And then here you start to see the sleet starting to sneak in. And this particular model shows that as far north as Harrisburg, Chambersburg, and northern Lancaster County and York County. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that, and it will continue. It could even actually turn back to snow in some parts of the area. But this is also showing that it ends, it looks like, around 11, 12 o'clock. Here's another look at another different model that also shows that mixing coming in the afternoon and the evening and continues till I would say about 11 o'clock, and then it starts to taper with low pressure moving off the coast. Blustery conditions as we head into Monday with the winds really picking up. So snowfall intensity heavy tomorrow morning in the afternoon. It's moderate in the evening, then starts to taper and end as we head just past midnight. Hazardous road conditions, travel disruptions, very high chance. Visibility poor at times. Power outages, we'll be keeping an eye on that. There is the possibility. But look at the highs and overnight lows. Single digits for the rest of the week, highs only in the teens to low 20s all the way through the upcoming weekend, next weekend. We've got impacts through Thursday because of this frigid air and the breeze.